Top 20 beginner-friendly small business ideas. The top 20 best small business ideas for beginners are below. Starting a small business can be intimidating and requires careful planning. There are many small business ideas that can be advantageous and cost-effective. The last thing a new entrepreneur or business needs is to find themselves in a financial predicament due to unnecessary spending when starting a small business. The key is to remember that it is small and that the initial goal should be to limit spending until a profit is made. One Yoga Center and assist individuals in being one yoga center that promotes people's fitness and wellness. 2. Launch a catering company to provide food for parties, events, and special occasions. 3. Travel agency employees frequently visit various locations. Launch a travel agency because the travel industry is a never-ending business. 4. Fast food restaurants that serve high-quality meals. 5. Chocolate cafes are coming up since everyone loves chocolate and can't get enough of it. With this business, you can enjoy your profits all the way to the bank. 6. Running-based exercise regimens, exercise programs. 7. One-product eateries. This produces millions of dollars by focusing on a single food type and its endless possibilities. It may sound absurd. 8. Hosted security providers are compensated for preventing hackers from accessing other people's websites. Spyware, viruses, worms, and Trojans help others back up all of their data using 9 data backup, so they may access it at a later time if necessary. 10. Cameras for surveillance. With all the insane people out there these days, these are a popular thing to sell, and any business may utilize one. 11. Launch a massage parlor. 12. Handyman and home improvement services. 13. Children's learning initiatives and services. 14. Software products and the creation of apps. 15. Advisory services. This is yet another brilliant business concept. This is an excellent field for you to launch your business. If you have prior work experience and understanding of other businesses unrelated to your own, you can broaden your consulting offerings and even gain knowledge from each in order to increase your revenue. 16. Offering replacement components for cars and machinery. 17. Professional car wash businesses. These can be profitable ventures if you select large cities and towns with a large selection of high-quality vehicles. 18. Internet service providers offering connections. You can manage it effectively enough to generate a lot of money while offering speedy internet access at reasonable monthly costs. 19. Start a furniture business by hiring a carpenter. 20. Pure water production and sell a such bagged or bottled water. The internet is a great resource for small business ideas. Thousands of people have great ideas for a business venture, but require assistance getting the ball rolling. Fortunately, there is plenty of help available for new and aspiring entrepreneurs. There are government websites that contain valuable small business ideas, so check out and get more.